This is Cyber Dragon. Today I'm going to talk about Lucky Quiz and how you can earn free gifts. All you got to do is take the quiz. It'll be trivia quizzes based on history, sports, general questions, TV shows, movies, philosophy. There's over 30,000 quizzes, and you can also take one for math and pattern recognition. It's pretty much to test your memory skills. It's good for teens, children, and you can earn prizes. And the prizes vary like every month. Right now, this month, they have iPhones, gift cards like Amazon, Visa gift cards, MacBook. They have a video game system, usually like Nintendo Switch, sometimes like stereo, speakers, and TV. TV this month is Samsung. It's free to join, 100% free. It's just mostly just testing your knowledge. You earn rewards and after taking trivia quizzes. After you reach a certain amount of points, you can enter them into contests to win. You'll pretty much go against like players from around the world, so test up your knowledge and have fun. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if comment down below for like what do you think about the video and what kind of video you want me to upload so I can upload them for you guys. And I hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.